Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to bring back the classic right-click context menu in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and now you want to get rid of this type and right-click context menu, or you want to get old context menu like this in Windows 11. So let's see how can you do that. So you have a simple step. The very first way you can use the registry editor, and the second way you can use command prompt. So I recommend you how to use command prompt. It is easy to use. You have to execute a single command. Just go to search and here just search for CMD. Just right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click yes. Now once you are here, you just have to enter a code which is this one. There's a rich.exe add HGCU software classes CLSID. So basically you have to add this key in your registry editor. So I'm gonna copy this. Once you have copied, just paste it here. And here you can see that the operation completed successfully. After completing the operation, you just have to restart your file explorer, or you have to restart your PC. So I'm gonna restart my file explorer. Just go to search for task manager, and once you find task manager, you just have to look for file explorer here. And here, once you get file explorer or Windows Explorer, just right click on it, click on restart. And once you have restarted your file explorer, you have to simply go back, and here you can see that your context menu, your right click context menu has been successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change your right click context menu in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.